Di na kailangan sa'yo ay bigkasin. Sa tuwing magtatama ang aking paningin, na makikita ang aking damdamin. Kailangan pa bang ako ay tanungin ang bilis, Jenny? Kailangan pa bang sa'yo ay bigkasin na mahal kita at wala nang iba? Basta makikita sa aking mga mata, basta makikita, nagabulon sa aking mga mata. Di ko na mapigil ang aking damdamin. Ay, baka malaglag. Kay sawing palad ko, halos ako'y mawatay nang ako'y binigo.
ng kuya mo nung araw yan, tsaka ng ate mo. Ha? Pangarap yan.
Hindi ko bibiguin mo.
Next
man.
Mahal ko pa rin sila.
Makarating lang ako sa ibang bansa. Hindi ko kayo bibiguin.
Sige, anak. Salamat.
Walang pikulit na, walang eran na, tsaka kekkel na, tsaka chela. No.
Salamat.
Makarating lang ako sa
Basta
ibang
tandaan nyo,
bansa.
ha? Abe, tandaan nyo. Kayong lahat mga ano kayo, mahal na mahal ko, wala akong pinipili sa inyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo lahat. Magkakaroon. Yan mga pamangkin mo. Anak ng ate mo, anak ng ate Jenny mo.
Mga anak.
Anak niya.
Mga anak.
Wala. Anak ng ate Jenny mo.
Mga anak nga.
Anak ng ate Jenny mo. Anak ng ate Jenny mo. Anak ng kuya mo. Wala akong pipiling ako. Lahat mahal ko lahat yan. Ganon din ang pagmamahal ko sa inyong lahat ng anak ko. Kaya tandaan nyo.
Three feet tall and full of questions. You must have thought I was the smartest man alive, and I didn't have all the answers to every little how and where and why. Like Daddy, why is the sky so blue today? Does Jesus really hear me when I pray? When I grow up, will I be just like you? Will I be tall and strong and brave? There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. A promise that's sacred, a promise from heaven above. No matter where you go, always know you can depend on your Father's love, especially when it's cold, especially when you're lonely, when your little heart's just trying to find its way. And I know the world is always changing, but remember, son, some things never change. Even when my life on earth is through, there will still be a part of me in you. 'Cause some things are forever, nothing's ever gonna take my love from you. There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. A promise that's sacred, a promise from heaven above. There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. A promise that's sacred, a promise from heaven above. Did I hug enough? Did I care enough when you most needed me? Was I there enough? enough to make you feel the power of your father's love. Father's love, your father's love, father's love, father's
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you.